It's time to go to sleep. Baby Tuka is tired right now after playing with toys, after having her treats. Now he's ready to go to bed. I have prepared the cot. Here, Tuka used to sleep whole night peacefully, and again in the morning, Tuka starts playing again. See how he makes sounds? Tuka! Tuka? Chalo. Time to sleep. Come, let's go. Come on. Chalo. Utho. Good night, my friends. Good night. Happy dreams, sweet dream. It's time for me to go to bed. Chalo. Now I will cover her up. This is the place where Tuka sleeps. Good night, Tuka. Bye bye. So I've covered it up with net so that the mosquito doesn't disturb her. And I will cover this with a towel so that no lights goes through. Bye bye. Good night. Happy dream. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel.